What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. Alright. Today, what we're going to do, we're going to work on one of my guns. Here is my Springfield Prodigy. And here recently, I showed you how to put the magwell on the Prodigy. And I got to thinking, alright, I done put a magwell on the Prodigy. Might as well put the magwell on the Echelon as well. All right. So we finna walk through putting the magwell on this Echelon. All right. So the Echelon, as you may know, is very hard to find a magwell for. I mean, I searched and I searched and I searched, and I actually found this company called Patriot CNC Patriot. All right, they make a couple of different magwells for the Echelon, and they have a magwell where you have to buy their base plates. This is the magwell though that accepts the manufacturer base plates. So there is a difference between the two. You can't just go there and buy just the magwell. You got to make sure you are either changing out your base plate or you're getting the magwell that uses the OEM base plates. And here is the company. CNC Patriot CNC. I don't know if I'm saying it forward or backwards, but this is it right here. All right. So let's get a better look and go ahead and put this thing on. Here is the magwell. And you see this hole right here at the bottom? That's where that goes. You put that in there. Let's put the front in. There we go. Pop it on in there like that. Got to make sure that the front is in there correctly. All right. So we have it in there correctly. All right. That's what the back looks like. And now you get your screws. They give you a lot of screws. All right. So hold on. All right. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put this. All right. Okay, so that's in there, and that screw fits pretty flush. All right, so there we go. We have the magwell in there. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. So there you have your Echelon with the magwell. Let's get a different angle on this. All right, so here you go. We have Springfield Echelon with the magwell. And I like the way that it looks, and it provides somewhere for your pinky to sit, even though, you know, it does have the long magazine. I still like the way a magwell fits on the pinky. All right. So magwell on the pinky, I like it. I like it. So hit me up. Tell me what you think. You know, these, like I said, Patriot CNC was the only place I found that actually had these. All right. And they are forever out of stock. So you have to monitor their website if you want to try to find you one or get you one for your Echelon. But I like this addition to the Echelon. I really do like this addition to the Echelon. Yeah, and I am about to send this down to Modern Pistoleros, and they are about to do their thing to it. So this gun is not about to stay like this. It is not about to stay like this. Now, if you haven't seen videos that I've done on this Prodigy, all right, you definitely have to check it out. Definitely got to check out the videos that I've done on the Prodigy. And, you know, for those who don't know, this gun right here run you mid sixes. This gun right here is a whole lot more, probably about twice as much as this gun. So, you know, I'm basically doing the same thing to both guns, but, you know, I just did a video where I show where this is not a real SRO. This is a real one, and I show you the ways you can tell the difference between the two. So definitely go back and check that out. And, you know, there's a lot of things that I've done on both of these weapons. So definitely go check out the Prodigy videos and definitely check out the Echelon videos. And I will definitely have an update once I get these taken care of. All right. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And make sure you hit them notifications so you get notified every time I drop a video. Johnny Snow up out of here.